Hello everyone, Pioneer, I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer, did you know? You are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork. As of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. PiNetwork offers a unique mining experience on smartphones, intriguing users with promises of easy access and decentralization. Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, does not yet list Pi, highlighting the platform's emphasis on scrutinizing projects for integrity and viability. The absence of Pi on Binance encourages enthusiasts to exercise patience and critical examination of Pi's development and roadmap. Binance requires technological innovation, security, and community trust for listing, underscoring high standards for sustainability in the crypto market. The future of Pi remains uncertain, inviting both curiosity and caution as users explore its potential impact on the crypto landscape. On the shimmering digital coastlines where cryptocurrencies ebb and flow, one question hangs in the air like a sea mist. Is Pi listed on Binance? Enthralled explorers of the crypto realm embark on quests for fortune, often finding themselves drawn to the enigmatic potential of the PiNetwork, which promises decentralized accessibility on the smartphones of everyday enthusiasts. PiNetwork, a grassroots revolution in digital currency, captures imaginations with its simple premise, a mining experience without the need for specialized hardware, as smooth as tapping on a touchscreen. Users flock to this virtual oasis, intrigued by whispers of effortless wealth and inclusivity. But when they look toward Binance, the towering lighthouse of crypto exchange, they find no guiding light for Pi. Binance, a sprawling marketplace bustling with coins and tokens, stands as the gold standard for crypto trading. Its lists are filled with projects vetted for potential and credibility. Yet the absence of Pi in this bustling bazaar is more than a quiet gap. It's a symbol of the vigilance and scrutiny Binance maintains to preserve its platform's integrity. The PiNetwork remains in an ongoing developmental phase, swathed in mystery and speculation. Those seeking its presence on Binance find themselves navigating open waters without a chart. The omittance calls for patience and critical examination of Pi's underlying framework and future roadmaps. Enthusiasts are encouraged to remain vigilant, analyzing updates from both PiNetwork's team and Binance's curators. Such exploration invites the question, what makes the cut for a Binance listing? Beyond buzzwords and social followings, Binance demands a tapestry woven with technological innovation, security, and community trust. These are not mere hurdles, but the litmus tests for sustainability in a volatile world. For those peering into their smartphones, their fingers ready to swipe into uncharted territories of investment, the adventure of Pi remains on the periphery of Binance's domain. The promise of PiNetwork is a horizon yet to be reached, perhaps a fleeting mirage, or a ship yet to dock alongside the valuable vessels that float in Binance's harbor. In this cryptic tale of discovery and ambition, the absence of Pi on Binance is more than a missing link. It is a clarion call to underwriting diligence, urging a discerning gaze toward digital dreams. Amidst this evolving saga, one truth stands tall: informed voyagers achingly navigate these vast, glittering seas. Is PiNetwork the next big thing, or just a mirage, unraveling crypto mysteries? Understanding the absence of PiNetwork on Binance. In the vast ocean of cryptocurrencies, the PiNetwork stands out as a unique player. Promising to revolutionize digital currency by allowing accessible mining on smartphones, it has garnered a significant following. However, its absence from Binance, a top-tier cryptocurrency exchange, has fueled both curiosity and skepticism. Current status. As of now, PiNetwork is still in its beta phase, focusing on network development and building its ecosystem before launching a fully tradable coin. Community and security. The PiNetwork emphasizes community growth and user security, yet it lacks the complete transparency usually associated with projects listed on exchanges like Binance. Mining process. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, PiNetwork's mining is energy efficient and does not require high-powered GPU setups, making it more environmentally friendly. Decentralization. The network aims to establish decentralized finance or DeFi principles. However, its centralization during the initial phases has led to questions regarding its full potential. User base growth. With millions of users worldwide, PiNetwork has built a substantial community, rivaling some established cryptocurrencies despite its nascent stage. Criteria for listing. Binance typically lists projects that demonstrate a certain level of operational maturity, security innovation, and community trust. PiNetwork is yet to clear all these benchmarks due to its ongoing developmental status.